Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today we're going to check out the Walmart Winter Beauty Box for the third time. Okay, so if you've been watching my channel, you know I already did a video on the Walmart Beauty Box for the winter version a few weeks ago. Some changes with Walmart is it went from $6.98 per season to $8.98 per season. So it went up $2 per season. The Walmart box comes out summer, spring, fall, and winter, so you get 4 a year, one every 3 months, or in my case, 2 or 3, depending on how many you have coming. And you don't pay shipping, you just pay taxes. So it's supposed to be extra value, extra stuff, extra style, all kinds of extras. But my 2 boxes, for the first time, and as long as I've been getting 2 boxes, were the same version. I thought they actually had moved to a single version box. So all the boxes are going to be the same. Some of you were super helpful in my comments and told me there actually are still different variations. I just happened to get both the same ones. So of course I jump online and order a third one to see if I can get different stuff. So I have no idea. This just came today. I actually just finished filming the a Macy's video for you guys for what to do now that we're not going to have the Macy's beauty box anymore after next month. And then I get a notice on my phone that this got delivered and it was on my front porch. So I'm like, quick, hurry, go get it, go film it while I just got it. So this is the first peek. I have no idea yet if I got the same stuff as in my last boxes. The card will show me the variation. Ooh, it's different. I'm so excited, it's different. Okay, so the variation I got is, if I can figure out what version this is, I'll post it. But we got different stuff this time. I'm so excited. So I may actually just keep getting 3 boxes so I can have some guarantee as different things. But this is what's inside. We 100% got different stuff. So if you remember the last time we got a shampoo and conditioner, we got deplaner, a face, scraper off or razor thing what is the thing? What is it? We got a set of dermaplaners. I finally remembered what it's called, but I can't use those. I'm afraid to even use them, but I also have a friend who's an esthetician, and she said, don't do that because I have rosacea, and I could really mess up my skin. So I cannot do my own anyway, so I have 2 sets of those things that are garbage. But then we got different stuff. So first fun thing we got in here is a Dove body scrub. Love a good body scrub. And this is Himalayan sea salt and rose oil. This might even be a full size if it's not a deluxe travel size. Let's check our card out and see. I'm still determined to figure out what version I got. But this is okay, so this is not the full size. Full size is 15 ounces for $7.97. This is the 3.5 ounce size. The full size is 15 ounces. So we got about 1/5 of a full size of a body scrub. So let's see what this smells like. It smells like roses and Himalayan sea salt. You can see the pink. Don't know if it's natural pink from the Himalayan sea salt and the rose or if they have colored it. But we did get a Dove body scrub. The next thing we got that's different in here. Ooh, very nice. We got an Essence lip oil. And this is a full size. We got a full size in this one, $4.97. And we could have gotten one of 4 different shades. So this says, say goodbye to dry chapped lips and hello to supple moisturized perfection with this Essence Hydra Kiss lip oil. And how pretty is that? It's kind of purpley pink. That is really cool. So we got a full size lip oil. I'm so excited I got the 3rd box. I was so bummed with those other 2 boxes. I was like, this is not even worth. I didn't see any improvement to it at all. And I enjoy the boxes, even if they're not always exciting. It's still something different and it's not a lot of money. And it's still totally worth the money. But I was bored with the first 2 I got. And this one's fun. I'm so excited. Okay, so we did get our little Good Molecules cleansing gel, which I think we got 1 and 2 in our last one. These are just a little foil packet. The full size of this is 6.7 ounces for $11.97. So this is just a single use. Try it and see if you like it. The next little, we did get another little foil packet. We got Tahitian Vanilla Cream Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula. The full size of this, it's in a little tub like the Sol de Janeiro tubs of cream. And this is the full size would be 8.8 ounces for $13.97. So this is just a little bit. I do like cocoa butter lotion, so that's probably a good one to actually try. The next thing we got is from High Pro Pack, Keratin Protein No Frizz Hair Intense Protein Treatment. So we got what amounts to a hair mask. And this is a full size for $2.12. So that's pretty cool. Really 2 full-size products. I know this is a pouch, but it's a single-use hair treatment. You don't need a ton. You don't use this all the time. It's an as-needed deal, but it's a full-size $2.12 product. The next thing we got is Jergens Vanilla Crush. The full size of this is 14 ounces for $7.47. We got a 1 ounce trial, so this would be a good purse size cream. And Vanilla Crush just sounds like it's going to smell amazing. And it does smell amazing. I love that. Let me see if the last thing in here is my arch nemesis. We have now 3 of these. 3 packs of these stupid things. But this is also full size for $4.47. So our full size products, we got more than the cost of the box, plus we ended up getting some other travel sizes. So this box, oh my goodness, so much better, so much better. Just a recap of our Walmart $8.98 box. We got our Dove body scrub, we got our full-size Essence lip oil, we got a Jergens lotion sample, we got these horrible things, we got, where's my rest of my stuff? We got the hair treatment, we got the Good Molecules cleansing pouch, and we got our little Tahitian vanilla pouch. So we definitely did get some travel sizes in here. This one's full size, but we definitely did get some travel sizes and sample sizes in here. But this box is way more exciting than the stupid other one. So I'm excited I got the 3rd one. Like I said, I might just keep the 3. Even with that, it's less than $30 a quarter for 3 Walmart boxes. So kind of a no-brainer. So I'm glad I checked it out. If you haven't subscribed yet to the Walmart Beauty Box, just Google Walmart Beauty Box and sign up. There's no choices. There's no preferences of skin tone or product types. You get what they send, and that's all there is to it. But it's once per season, and it's not a lot of money. So check it out. I love that I got this one. I know you guys can't tell, but I'm very excited I got another one. I was really not excited about the last one. And if you did also love it, hit like. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, hit subscribe and hit notifications so you don't miss out on future uploads. But for now, from Beth, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.